Now let's see this. Question number 7. Let's see one by one. What the question is asking? The question is asking for false statement. Remember, the question is asking for false. It is not asking for true. It is asking for false statement. Anyway, let's see one by one. What about the first statement? If L is equal to strings with unequal number of 0, 1. So in option A, L is given to you. Okay, they have given to you L. In this L, what you have, tell me? In this L, what you have? Please tell me, in this L, what you have? You have strings. You have strings. See, you have strings. Strings. W belonging to 0, 1 star means you have strings with unequal number of 0, 1. Okay, so remember, here you have strings. So tell me which strings you have. If your alphabet is 0, 1, this is your alphabet. And the question is saying that L is equal to W belonging to 0, 1 whole star, where number of A in W, number of 0 in W, number of 0 in W, that is not equal to number of 1 in W. This is the given. First you tell me, one thing you tell me, what this means. When you see this, what this means? W belongs to sigma star, right? Here, this means W belongs to sigma star. So, in sigma star, you have strings. It contains all strings. It contains all strings. Yes or no? This sigma star is basically all the strings. So, can I say W basically is a string? W belongs to 0, 1 star. What this means? This means what? This means W is a string. W is a string of 0, 1. Okay, W is a string of 0, 1, right? Agree? So this is what it means. Okay, because remember 0, 1 star, that means sigma star. That means sigma star. Your sigma is 0, 1. So this W belongs to this set. This belongs to set of strings. It means W is a string. W is a string. This means W is a string. So now you tell me what your language is. Give me strings in this language. Can I say empty string will be here? Can I say empty string will be here? Please tell me. Can I say empty string is going to be here? No, empty string will not be there. Why? In empty string, how many zeros are there? In empty string, how many zeros are there in the empty string? That is 0. How many ones are there in the empty string? That is 0. Number of 0 is 0. Number of 1 is 0. So they are same. In this empty string, number of 0, number of 1s is same. In this empty string, number of 0 is 0, number of 1 is 0. So they are equal. So L does not contain empty string. L contains 0, L contains 1. L does not L contains 0, 0. L contains 1, 1. L does not contain 0, 1. L does not contain 1, 0, right? So L contains unequal number of 0, 1. So finally, I can say in L you have, remember in this language L you have this type of strings 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 000, and so on. Okay, unequal number of 0, 1s. Very simple. This is what you have in this L. Okay, there are many more strings. Anyway, the question is asking what is L star. Question is saying L star is equal to sigma star. Means the question is saying L star is equal to sigma star. The question is saying L star contains all the strings. Is it true? You find the L star from this language. This language you already have. Means you have this language which has 0, 1. There are some more strings like 0, 0, 1, 1, 000. There are many more strings. So this is your language. You tell me what is L star. You tell me what is L star. See L star. Can I say L star will contain empty string? Can I say L star will contain empty string? Yes. L star will definitely contain empty string. You know L star. You already know L star. That is L power 0, union L power 1, union L power 2, union L power 3, union L power 4. So you already know that. L power 0, you already know. This L power 0. This is a set containing empty string. So your empty string will definitely come. Now tell me, can I say entire L will come in L star? In L star, can I say entire L will come? In L star, can I say entire L will come? Yes, entire L will come. Okay, this entire L will come. Now you tell me, can I guarantee that actually every string will come? the strings which are not in L, those also will come. Can I say this will come? Can I say this string 0, 1 will come? See, this will come because of this 0, 1. One thing you notice, let me tell you, because of this 0, 1, you can create anything. Please notice, see. Focus here. In this L, you have whatever you have, I don't care. In this L, you have these two things. Now you contain any string in L star. Now I can say that every string, I can say every string W, whatever string W you take, that will belong to L star. Because using these two, you can create any string. Using these two. See, you can create any string you want. For example, you tell me this string does not belong to L, right? This string does not belong to L, correct? But this string will belong to L star. Why? How can you create this? Please tell me, how can you create this string? See, this string does not belong to L, but this string will belong to L star. Why? Because this string you can create as from L power 2. See, you can create like this 0, 1, just very easily. What is the proof? What is the proof? How will you do this? Proof is what you do. In L, you have 0, 1. In L, you have 0, 1, and there are some other strings. Okay. So what you do? You do L star. Proof L, just do the L square. Just do the L square. Okay. In L square, you can create. What you can do? You can take 0 from here and you can take 1 from here. Agree or not? Yes or no? Agree? So proof is very simple that this 0, 1, it belongs to L square. Okay, you can take 0 from here, you can take 1 from here. So I can say that you can create this 0, 1. Agree or not? Similarly, can you create 1, 0? See, 1, 0 also does not belong to L. 1, 0 does not belong to L, but 1, 0 belongs to L star. Why? Why? What is the reason? Because you can create, again, you can easily create 1, 0 belongs to L square. See, in L you have this. In L you have 0, 1. There are more strings. 0, 1. There are more strings. What you can do? You can take 1 from here and you can take 0 from here. This is what you can do. So do you agree with me that because your L contains 0, 1, some more strings are there. Now, because of these two, you can create any string. Because of these two, every string belongs to L star. Because of these two, whatever string I give you, you can create. See, okay, notice 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay, you tell me, how will you create this? See, this does not belong to L. This does not belong to L. Remember, this string does not belong to L, but this string will belong to L plus. But this string will belong to, sorry, L star. This will belong to L star. How can you prove? How can you create this string? Please tell me. How will you create this string? Very simple. You can create this string. See, just look at the length. Look at the length of this string. 6, 6, 12. So actually, you can create this string like this. This actually belongs to L power 12. Yes or no? This belongs to L power 12. This string actually belongs to L power 12. Because what you can do, to create this string, what you can do, see, notice, to create this string, what you can do, you can just take from first L, you can take this, from second L, you can take this, like this. See, I want to create this string 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. If you want to create this, what you can do, you can find L power 12. In L power 12, you have this 0, 1, this is your L dot. 0, 1, this is your L dot. 0, 1, this is your L, and so on. 0, 1, this is your L. So you are taking L how many times? 12 times. See, notice, this is your L, this is your L, this is L, and this is L. So you are taking this L 12 times. Now you tell me what you will do. Now I can say this string belongs to L power 12. How can you prove? Please tell me, how can you prove? From this, what string you will take? From the first L, which string you will take? From here you can take 0. From here you can take 0. From here you can take 1. And so on, and so on. From last you can take 0. Please notice. Please notice. Means from here you take 0. From here you take 0. From here you take 1. and so on. And from here you take 0. So you will get this string. Whatever this string is, you will get that string W. I hope this point is clear. So simple. This is your first question. So remember, the question is actually very simple. Your language is given to you in the option 1. Okay, this was your option A. Option A is saying that your language is this. In your language, you have unequal number of 0, 1s. Okay, this is your language, something like this. This is your language. Now, in this language, you have unequal number of 0, 1s. Okay, and the question is saying, if you do L star, then you will get all the strings. If you do L star, you will get all the strings. You will get all the strings. And because of whom? Because of whom? Because of these two. See, these two are enough. You don't need these. You don't need these. I don't need these people. There is no need of these people. These two are enough to bring everything. Okay, these two are very powerful. Okay, they can bring every string in L star. They can bring every string in L star. Is this clear? Can I say L plus is equal to sigma star? Can I say? Can I say L plus is equal to sigma star? Can I say? Please tell me, can I say L plus is equal to sigma star? No, that statement is not correct because of empty string. Empty string does not belong to L plus. Actually, you can check. I'm giving you this as a homework that L plus is same as sigma plus. Okay. I'm giving you this question as a homework that L plus is same as sigma plus. Okay. Is this clear? Can I give this question as a homework? You can notice the same logic, exactly same logic. You can try this. You can try this. Exactly same logic, exactly same logic. You can create any string you want. Okay, you can create whatever string you want, exactly same logic, no change, no change. So this is the question. So this is your option A. So is this option A true? So yes, this statement option A is actually true. This is actually true. The question is asking false, but option A is actually true. What about option B? Sigma is A comma B. There are more than 20 words of length 4. How many words of length 4 are there? How many words of length 4 from this alphabet? From this alphabet, how many words of length 4 I can create? So let's see option B. So your sigma is only A comma B. Your sigma is this. So how many strings of length 4 you can create? How many strings? Word means string. How many strings? Remember, I told you that strings, words, these are same. Of length 4. So you want length 4. What do you want? You want length 4. Tell me, how many choices this first position has? How many choices this first position has? You want length 4. I want words of length 4. So in this first position, I can put A or B. I can put A or B. So there are two choices. In the second also, I can put A or B. So there are two choices. There are two choices. Here also there are two choices. Here also there are two choices. So your final answer will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is 2 power 4 is equal to 16. So 16 words you can create. I cannot create more than 20. So this statement is false. Remember option B, that is false. What about option C? Option C. For any language L1, L2, L1 union L2, intersection L1 is equal to L1. Yeah, that is simple. That statement is true. Why that statement is true? See, option C is saying that any L1, L2 you take any L1, L2, L1 union L2, intersection L1, that is equal to L1. You can create this using the Venn diagram, yes or no? See, you can solve it using the Venn diagram. Whatever L1 you take, this is your L1, this is your L2. Okay, so first you do the union, then you do the intersection with L1. So what you will get? So tell me what you will get. It is like this. This is your Venn diagram. This is your Venn diagram. This is your sigma star. Your universal set is what? Tell me. Universal set is sigma star, right? Universal set is sigma star. This is the universal set. Universal set is sigma star because every language contains strings. Every language contains strings. Every language contains strings. These are basically strings. Yes or no? Like these are strings. These are strings. These things. These things are strings. Okay. So very simple. These things are strings. So anyway, now you tell me, you have total how many areas in this Venn diagram? Total how many areas you can see? I can see this area number 1, which is outside L1, L2. This area, which is L1 but not L2. This area, L1 intersection L2. This area, L2 but not L1. So you tell me, how much area this L1 union L2 has? How much area? L1 union L2, how much area? L1 union L2. This area means 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Now, how much area with for L1? Tell me how much area for L1? L1, that is 2, 3. L1 is 2, 3. Now you tell me, L1 union L2 intersection L1, how much area? If you do their intersection, what is the common between these? This and this, what is the common? What is common between this? This and this, common is 2, 3. That is your L1. That is your L1. So this statement is correct. Using the Venn diagram very easily you can do. Agree or not? Isn't it simple? So this is option number C. That is very true. Now tell me the next. For any language L1, L2, can I say this statement is true? Option D. Option D is saying that for any language L1, L2, can I say L1 star is equal to L2 star if and only if they are same? Can I say their star will be same if and only if they are same? Is this correct? Is this statement correct? Their star is same if and only if they are same. This statement is false. Can anyone give me a counter example for this? Anyone want to give me a counter example for this? You can very easily give a counter example. Let me give you. You can very easily give a counter example. See what you can do. You can take L1 equal to, for example, you can take L1 equal to sigma, L1 equal to this, and you can take L1, L2 equal to this. Now you tell me what L1 star will be. See here you can notice L1 is not same as L2. Here you can notice. You tell me what your L1 star will be. From here, what L1 star will be. L1 star. You can check it out. It will be a power e1. It will be a power e1. N greater than equal to 0. A power e1. Right? Here also L2 star. What L2 star will be? That is also a power e1. That is also a power e1. Is this clear? So you can notice here they are saying they are L1, L2, they are different. But L1 star is same as L2 star. But L1 star is same as L2 star. Is this clear? Please tell me. Please tell me. Let me know. Is this understood? So this statement, remember, this statement is false. This statement is false. The question is asking false statements. So what your answer will be? What your answer is going to be? The question is asking false statement. Answer will be BD. Is there anyone who did A, C? Is there anyone? The question is asking false statement. The question is not asking true statement. Some students, they must have done A, C. If the question is asking true, then A, C. Is there anyone who did this mistake? Who did this silly mistake? Please don't do this silly mistake. I know, I already know. Let me tell you, when I'm creating this question, I created this question. Intentionally, I put false here. Intentionally I have put here. Let me tell you, when I created questions, what I did. Let me tell you my strategy. So from question, you can notice this is your question number 7, right? This is your question number 7. Let me tell you, in these questions, 4, 5, 6, in these questions, I was asking true statements. In these questions, I was asking true statements. And in question number 7, I asked false statements. And after that, I was asking again true statements. So let me tell you, I intentionally wanted you to make this silly mistake. Intentionally it was done. From question, you can check it out. Question 1 to 6, I am asking true statement. Question 7, false statement I am asking. And after that, I am asking true statement. After that, again, I am asking true statement. So please don't do that. Okay, don't make silly mistakes. So in this question, the question is asking false statement. So the answer will be BD. Don't say AC. Don't say AC. Okay. Is this understood? Please tell me, did you understand everything? Did you understand everything? Remember this option D. This is false, right? So did you understand option D? This option, did you understand? That languages are different, but still their star can be same. Notice, here languages are different. This language, they are different. This language is different from this language. L1, L2, they are different, but their star is same. If you do their star, that will be same. Okay. So this is your question number 7.